In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off or disable all notifications in Bitdefender Total Security 2025. Whether you're looking to minimize distractions or keep your focus on other tasks, knowing how to manage these settings can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. To start, you'll need to access the Bitdefender app on your device. This ensures you're ready to make any necessary changes directly from the application itself. Once you have the app open, look towards the top right corner. Here, you'll find the Settings icon. It's important to note that accessing the settings is a common prerequisite step for personalizing and optimizing your Bitdefender experience. Just click on it to proceed. Next, once you're in the Settings menu, what you'll want to do is locate the General tab. This section is key because it contains various options that allow you to control and customize your Bitdefender environment to best suit your needs. Go ahead and click on General to advance further into your notification settings. Now, from within the General settings, our focus shifts toward managing notifications specifically. Here, search for the section related to notifications, and you should see an option labeled Special Offers. The Special Offers notifications are often promotional, designed to update you about the latest Bitdefender features or discounts that might be of interest. Depending on your preferences, these can either be useful or potentially disruptive if you're looking to streamline your digital workspace. By clicking on the Special Offers option, you'll be presented with choices to either enable or disable these types of notifications. If your goal is to interrupt fewer times with alerts, it is advisable to disable them. Doing so should help in reducing distractions while you're working on more pressing matters on your computer. Remember, the configuration settings within Bitdefender, such as this notification adjustment, are part of what gives you control over how the software interface interacts with you daily. Disabling notifications like Special Offers can contribute greatly to a more focused and seamless daily workflow, whereby alerts only come through for more immediate and essential updates regarding the security of your device. After you've adjusted these settings to your liking, it's always a good idea to double-check that your changes have been saved. Revisit the relevant areas, and if all looks good, you can then return to the main dashboard knowing your notifications are tailored to suit your current focus needs. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your Bitdefender Total Security 2025 notifications. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more helpful tips like this one.